So I picked these three up at the thrift stores. $3.99, $1.99, and a whopping $3 for this one. And I'm pretty sure these two would prefer them off the table. So I'm going to take one of them apart to start with, and I think it's the one in the middle there. This one here seems to be mostly just, it does its own thing. It's got a button here that lights up its eye. It turns very pink. Its tail appears to do something. And I think that's about it on that one. This one appears to be more sound sensitive, though I won't know until I open it up. Because if there's nothing else going on around it, it just sits there. This one here, the little doggy in the window, it's got a sensor there. It likes to be petted. It's got a button back here for some stuff. And here, its eyes actually will follow your hand once you don't have all this other clutter in the area. So, I guess it's going to be the center one to start with. And I underrated this one. It does have some sensors. So for this one, the switch is on the back here. Its eyes blink. Come on, do something. Apparently these are meant as finger toys. I'll use the appropriate finger here. Come on, do something. Get active. Yeah, you are going to get taken apart. Oh. Okay, turn the power off. Guess we can remove the label of shame of landing up in a thrift store. There's two screws here. Already loosened them off. And there's 4 button cells. Let's see if I can get these things out. There's 2 of them. There's 2 more. And they are 357, 303. Oh, I think I got a mix here actually. LR44s. I think they're all the same size. And all they do in here is specify 2 times 1.5, 2 times 1.5. So I guess if it fits, it's good. Okay, time to open it up. Let's see what's in this thing. There's one. Let's get these out of the way. Yeah, I should be mixing battery types. Not the best practice, but as I indicated, all I had laying around. Okay. Let's see. Another one. I hope this doesn't all fall apart. Oops. Tail just got loose. Nobody else there. Can't see anything else. Okay, grab the spudger. Spudger. I got corrected on my pronunciation. I hope I don't destroy this thing. Okay, that looks like it's coming that way. Oh, it sure looks like there's something else in here. Oh, there we go. I heard that little crack. Okay. Come on. Reveal your innards. Oh, okay. The front comes off. Oh, I see. The wire goes down there. Oh boy, this is going to be fun to put back together. Oh, okay, I see what they're doing in here. And that's glued in once I put it in. Yeah, that's glued in. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, that's glued in. They got little light paths in here. The LEDs are on the end, and the light goes down the plastic to light everything up. Now, unless I can take the back of the head. Oh, I wonder if this switch pops out. Okay. Another tool. Let's see if this comes out. Nope. Ah, there's a screw. Let's get that one. There's one on the other side. Kind of. Here. Oh, look at that fine wire in there. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to put this down for a moment and take a real close look. Okay. There's just the two leads going down to the batteries. So there's definitely no sensors down there. Let's pull this up. Here's the speaker for what little sound it makes. It's got a rotating here. Looks like there's a little switch here. Let's flip it over slowly. Bring it up. I'm gonna zoom the camera. Okay, I'm zoomed in now. Try to keep it in frame. Okay, there's the blob. Some inductors. Lots of little chips, but also lots of empty spots. So I kind of wonder if this board was used for more than one item. Okay, there you can see it says the speaker. Whoops. Speaker there. It's a super fine wire. This thing's going to easily get broken. Let's rotate it up a bit. Okay, here's the motor for making the head go back and forth. But I still don't see any sensors. I kind of wonder if they're using the mic or they're using the speaker for both. If they detect some sound, then it triggers the processor to do whatever, and then it makes its sound come out. That's the only thing I can see because there's no infrared, there's no, by the looks of it, dedicated speaker or microphone. Hey, what's that little chip in there? Just a second. Not a hope they ground that one. So I'm betting they actually dual purpose the speaker because a speaker could pick up a tiny bit of the sound. That's probably why it doesn't respond too well. So that's the guts of it. And now I can very carefully put it back together and hopefully it'll work. While I put it back together, I'll probably edit things out if this takes too long. Let's basically go this direction I did taking it apart. And watch out for those really fine wires. Here's one. There's two. Let's put its head back on. Like that. Try to keep in camera. Oops. Okay, everything's going to line up perfectly. Okay, I can't do this with the camera here. Okay, that clipped in. That rotates. I think I'll just push it together now. Oops. Maybe get the wire out of the way. What doesn't want to go together? Okay, I'm really... Oh, the switch. Switch isn't lined up. Where is the switch? Okay, let's take it apart again and try again. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that fell in real good this time. Yep, there's the switch. Try again. Make sure I'm in frame. God, look at those tiny little wires. Okay, let's get his head back on. Okay, the back of the head needs to go that way. And failed again. Uh-oh. Not looking good. Okay. Good. Let's try again. Okay, where did the piece fall out of? Oh, that goes there. Okay, that probably can wait. Oh. Don't think I should become a surgeon. Yeah, but then they can't complain if they don't make it. Those are always the pesky relatives. Okay, that's looking better. Oh, I wonder if that's a... Yep, that's a magnet. And there is a coil. So essentially this sits there. They put an AC through here and it wobbles back and forth. Okay, I'm going to take this off camera for a minute. Okay, I've got that back in. Let's get the wires into the middle. Push them down a bit. Something still binding. Not sure what. Oh, there we go. That's going to have to go like that. Gonna line up the stuff at the bottom too. Probably only one position this thing goes to. There we go. Here. And let's slip the batteries in and see if it works. Well, it looks like it's, yep. And the eyes are blinking. So let's get these last screws in. Hey, other way in. Hey, sorry about that. Hope I didn't hit a nerve down there. There we go. Definitely hit a nerve. Be happy you're going back together. And the next one. Oops. Quit moving. Patient's not supposed to move. Especially after I finish working on them. Okay. Let's just bring you down. I'm still not totally sure how this thing activates. Yeah, I think it is sound. It's either sound or they got something in there for vibration. Oh well, that's kind of cute. Now there's two other ones which I'll probably do a different video on. I kind of really like this one. This guy, so much like if he's going to try to